How to enable Ultimate Performance mode on Windows 11. So if you want to enable Ultimate Performance mode on Windows 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply right click on your Windows, and here you need to go with Terminal, of course with the administrator privileges. Click on the terminal with admin, click on yes, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go and paste the command which is in the description below, and after that hit the enter. Once done, you need to go with the next step, which is you need to open up your control panel, search for control panel. After that, go with hardware and sound. And here you can either go with power options, or you will also have a direct option of choose a power plan. You need to click on choose a power plan. And as you can see that here you will have your additional options, right? So you just need simply go with the drop down and go with additional plans. And under your additional plans, you will have your ultimate performance. So if you want to enable this, just go and click on Ultimate Performance. And in this way, you'll be able to enable Ultimate Performance mode on your Windows 11. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.